got the boxes. The last 2 boxes. Well, maybe. You never know. I thought this was going to be the last box. But then I started thinking more, and then I got this box. So let's open them up. I hope the suspense is building on the burnout kiln. It's close. It's real close. This is from Signature Hardware, delivering quality and trust. They are out of Erlanger, Kentucky. You know, I started looking for the vent for the burnout kiln, and it needed to be steel, where most of the vents, I'm just using a floor vent, and most of the vents are, the baffles are plastic, and I wanted steel. So I found what I was looking for. Of course, because of the pandemic, I couldn't, you know, go out too far. And the local hardware stores didn't have what I was looking for anyway. Paper. You know, this stuff, if you roll this up, flatten it out, makes great drawing paper for patterns and what have you. Just recycle, reuse. And what we have is their part number. It's an old Victorian vent, cast iron. More boxes. Recycle. Nice. So the baffle, that way I can have a little bit of a sweet. This is the vent. Gotta have somewhere for that heat and gases and stuff to go. So anyway, so because this thing is going to be relatively portable, this is an afterthought, like most of this thing has been, and I decided, since most of with the vent in this box, since most everything has been from recycled material, I thought, well, I might as well splurge a little bit, which is, I could have gotten something like this that wasn't as ornate, but I splurged a little bit. I think this was like 30 bucks. You gotta splurge every once in a while. So this was not really so much a splurge, you know. Since it's gonna be portable, I decided that I needed some wheels on the side to make it easy to load into the. And I'm not giving the secret away. I'm gonna show you all when it's all done. More paper. This stuff is thick. So these were kind of tough to find too. To go along with the Victorian vent, I decided to get some cast iron wheels. And that way I can roll it, I can tip it on its side and roll it into a pickup truck or a trailer or something. So yeah, these are cool. Not so much into these. I'm gonna have to change that out. I don't like that. But, oh my gosh, these guys. Caster Connections out of Columbus, Ohio. And if I figure out how to do links, I'll put links into the video. These guys went the extra mile to get me these wheels. And they really helped me out. So awesome. They're great people to work with. And I recommend these guys a lot. Dave went out of his way. So, I think that's it. I think these are the last two pieces. But you never know. I'll be putting out, I decided I needed some kind of safety issue with the burner port and all that. So, I made a latch for that you'll see. It'll be out there soon. I think that's it. Hopefully this suspense is building, and you're anxious to see the burnout kiln. It's almost there. Everything slowed me down. Just as a side note. Well, a buddy at work asked me why. And he goes, "Hey man, are you done with your kiln yet?" And I said, "No." And he goes, "Man, what's taking so long? Jeez." Give me some crap, you know. And he doesn't realize this thing doesn't come with instructions or a manual. I'm making this stuff up as I go. And then you got stuff like I had a dead opossum in my studio that took me a couple days to find, and you know, you can't work with the smell of a dead animal. I don't know. It was, yeah. So anyway, yeah, I'm almost done with the kiln. Hope you stick with me, and we'll see you real soon.